Can you explain how to coordinate the linens? Where is the garage you rent? How is that coordinated? I have 2 units with no unit washer and dryer, and I can't figure out how to coordinate linen drops. Got it. So here's what happens, and here's how this goes. What happens when it comes to the linens exactly is that, so we have 3 different geographic location. Well, actually more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 different geographic locations. 2 in LA, 1 in Long Beach, 2 in Costa Mesa. At one place in Costa Mesa, again, this garage, this very garage right here that I was showing you guys earlier, this is the main one. So all supplies and store stuff and extra stuff goes here. And in fact, in this photo, you're only seeing half of this garage. It is I guess it would be what would be a 2-car garage, I believe, and it's very deep, which is great. So both walls are lined with shelves and linen and supplies and knife sets and dishes and well, everything. Okay, so everything eventually ends up right here. So what you're seeing, and the reason these bags are color coded, they're color coded by location as to where they have come from. And what happens is the linen company keeps the same quantity of linen in the appropriate colored bags. Okay, so if you can understand that everything comes to one place, so all 5 of those locations, someone picks up the linen that is dirty and drops it all right there. And that's what you saw, is that long row of dirty linen. Okay, later today, or actually probably right now, in fact, the linen guy comes by with his Jeep and his trailer, loads all of the dirty stuff into his truck, and drops off all of the clean stuff right there. And then later tonight and tomorrow, what happens is that the color-coded bags get dispersed to their appropriate locations. And when the color-coded bags go back to their color-coded locations, the, again, now dirty linen gets picked up and dropped off back here. So hopefully you see the entire cycle there. So that's basically what happens. Everything comes to one spot. The linen guy comes to the same spot, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then on the other side, what happens is that a runner comes and picks up the linen and goes back and forth to the locations. But everybody comes to the same one spot. And that's how we do it. So I hope that answered the question.